In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on LinkedIn. This is a quick update that can make a big difference in the jobs you see, the connections you make, and the content that shows up in your feed. Whether you're moving, traveling long-term, or simply want your profile to reflect a new market, I'll walk you through it clearly and carefully. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top of the screen and click the Me icon. From that menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile where you can edit your information. On your profile page, find the small pencil icon near the top right. This is the edit button for your main profile details. Click it. A panel will open with your basic information. Now, scroll down toward the bottom of that panel until you see the Location section. This is where LinkedIn stores your current location details. Here's the simple part. Click into the location area and change it to the place you want to appear on your profile. For example, if it currently says United Kingdom, you can switch it to United States. Make sure the selection reflects where you want recruiters, clients, and your network to think of you as being based. Being accurate here helps LinkedIn tailor job recommendations and networking suggestions to the right region. Once you've made your change, click Save. That's it. Your profile will update, and your new location will be visible to anyone who views your profile. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment to update across the site. Your profile's visibility settings stay the same. Only your location is updated. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consider how your new location aligns with your career goals. Changing it can influence which opportunities reach you. If you're targeting roles in a new country or city, this update helps your profile appear more relevant to hiring managers there. Also, keep your headline and About section consistent with your move or focus, so your whole profile tells a clear story. And that is how to change your location on LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.